Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. I am your social studies teacher. Students, we are on chapter number 8, People and Work of Unit 2, Citizenship. This is second session of this chapter. In the previous session, we read about the population of Pakistan. We discussed number of population, where do they live, what are their earning resources, whether they are Muslims or non-Muslims, and which language they speak. We also discussed census and the reason or benefits of conducting a census. We discussed about the age-wise population and ratio or proportion of rural and urban population. Okay students, now we will read about the work of Pakistani population. Let's begin. Students, open page number 60. Work. Most of the people in Pakistan live in villages and small towns in the countryside. They earn a living by working on the land. Since we know where the best agricultural land is, we also know where most of the people live. In the province of Sindh, the urban population is 52% and the rural population is 48%. What might be the reason for this? Students, do you remember yesterday we read about the rural and urban population of Pakistan? We discussed a pie chart, and according to the pie chart we came to know that most of the Pakistani people live in villages and towns. So they earn their living by farming. But in Sindh, urban population is 52% and it is more than rural population. Yes students, पाकिस्तान के ज़्यादातर लोग villages में रहते हैं क्योंकि वो ज़मीनों पर काम करते हैं. पाकिस्तान एक एग्रीकल्चरल कंट्री है, ये तो आप सब जानते हैं. और यहाँ के लोगों का ज़्यादातर जो प्रोफेशन है वो क्या है, फार्मिंग से वाबस्ता है. लेकिन सिंध की अर्बन पॉपुलेशन यानी शहरी आबादी रूरल पॉपुलेशन यानी देही आबादी से ज़्यादा है. सो लेट्स सी द रीज़न ऑफ दिस. Okay students, let's see the reason why the urban population of Sindh is more than the rural population. In the large towns and cities, there are factories and offices. There are many jobs or professions for people to choose from. People living here work as doctors, traders, engineers, police officers, teachers, drivers, bankers, mechanics, and in hundreds of other professions. Many people have their own businesses and employ thousands of workers. Many people work for voluntary organizations to help their fellow beings. There are also thousands of people who have no jobs. Why do you think this happens? Yes, students, there are many factories and offices in large cities and towns of Sindh. There are many job opportunities and people have a very wide scope for choosing their profession. People can work here as a doctor, as an engineer, teacher, police officer, driver, banker, etc. And they can choose many other professions. Students, सिंध में अर्बन पॉपुलेशन ज़्यादा होने की वजह ये है कि यहाँ पर शहरों और टाउन्स में बहुत सारे ऑफिसेज हैं, फैक्ट्रीज़ हैं, मिल्स हैं, जिनकी वजह से यहाँ पर जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ ज़्यादा हैं. यहाँ पर लोग एज अ टीचर, एज अ पुलिस ऑफिसर, डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, ड्राइवर, बैंकर, मैकेनिक के काम कर सकते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, एंड मैनी पीपल रन देयर ओन बिजनेस हेयर. और कुछ लोग जो हैं वो अपना बिजनेस यहाँ पर रन करते हैं. एंड दे एम्प्लॉय थाउजेंड्स ऑफ वर्कर्स. और इनके अपना बिजनेस रन करने की वजह से यहाँ पर जो है हज़ारों लोगों को रोज़गार मिल जाता है. Except this, there are many voluntary organizations to help the poor people, orphans and old age people like EIDHI, Selani Welfare Trust, Chipa, Ansar Barni Trust, Alamgir Welfare Trust, etc. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर सिंध में बहुत सारी ऐसी वॉलंटरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं जो लोगों की मदद करने के लिए बनाई जाती हैं. बट मैनी पीपल आर जॉबलेस हेयर. व्हाट डू यू थिंक, व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट? यहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोग बेरोजगार भी हैं, यानी सिंध में बहुत सारे लोग बेरोजगार हैं. सो लेट्स सी द रीजन ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट हेयर. There are many people who are either not adequately educated or trained in special skills. They have a problem finding jobs, except as part-time workers, domestic servants or laborers. Students, in Sindh, there are many people who are not enough educated and don't have special skills. So they have to face problems in finding jobs. That is why they work as a worker, domestic servants or laborer. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर सिंध में अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट की जो मेन वजह है वो ये है कि यहाँ पर लोग इतने एजुकेटेड नहीं हैं या फिर उनके पास किसी मखसूस काम को लेकर माहिराना सलाहियतें नहीं हैं, जिसकी वजह से उन्हें जॉब ढूंढने में परेशानी होती है और फिर वो एज अ पार्ट टाइम वर्कर या फिर कहीं डोमेस्टिक सर्वेंट जो घरों में काम करने वाले मुलाजमीन होते हैं या फिर मजदूर के तौर पर काम करते हैं. Some people earn a lot of money for the work they do. Others do not earn so much. However, every job that is done has a value. You may think that some jobs are dirty or badly paid, but someone has to do them. It is important for us to learn to show respect to all people, no matter what work they do, as everyone and every job has dignity. Students, some people earn a lot of money by the work they do while the others don't. कुछ लोग जो हैं वो जो भी काम करते हैं उससे वो ज़्यादा पैसे कमाते हैं, जबकि कुछ लोगों की जो इनकम होती है वो कम होती है, यानी वो ऐसा काम करते हैं जिससे उन्हें कम अर्निंग्स होती हैं. But we should give respect to every work and no work is disrespectful. हमें हर काम करने वाले को रिस्पेक्ट देनी चाहिए क्योंकि हर काम ज़रूर होना होता है. अब अगर कोई मेड है, कोई सफाई का काम कर रहा है, तो हम सिर्फ उसको इसलिए रिस्पेक्ट ना दें कि उसकी अर्निंग्स कम है या वो एक सफाई का काम करती है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके? Being a Muslim, we should respect of everyone or every work. और एक मुसलमान की हैसियत से ये हमारा फ़र्ज़ है कि हम हर काम को और हर इंसान को इज्जत दें, क्योंकि कोई भी काम छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता. Students, now we will discuss what is services. Let's start. Services. The government has many departments to help the public. These are called services. Schools and colleges, hospitals and clinics, banks, and many other institutions are run by the government to serve the public. The government also runs transport services and constructs roads, canals, bridges, and buildings. Students, government departments are organized for the help of people. So they are called services. हमारी गवर्नमेंट जो है वो बहुत से ऐसे डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करती है जो लोगों की हेल्प के लिए बनाए जाते हैं और इनको सर्विसेज का नाम दिया जाता है. There are many departments that run under the government, for example, schools, colleges, banks, hospitals, clinics, and many other institutions. गवर्नमेंट के अंडर जो है वो बहुत से इदारे काम करते हैं और वो लोगों की हेल्प के लिए बनाए जाते हैं. उनमें हॉस्पिटल्स, स्कूल्स, कॉलेजेस, क्लिनिक्स, बैंक्स और दूसरे बहुत सारे इदारे शामिल हैं और इनका काम लोगों की खिदमत करना होता है, उन्हें सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करना होता है. Except all of this, transport services are also run under the government, and for this purpose government build roads, bridges, canals and buildings. गवर्नमेंट जो है वो ट्रांसपोर्ट सर्विस भी प्रोवाइड करती है, ठीक है, और इसके लिए जो है रोड्स, कैनाल्स और ब्रिजेस और बिल्डिंग वगैरह भी बनवाए जाते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. The government also has special departments to help particular groups of people. For example, there is a special program to give advice, loans and good seed to farmers. Other programs help the old, the poor and the sick. The government has a special department to help people learn how to read and write. Students, there are many departments organized by the government to help particular groups of people. They give advice to the farmers regarding loans and good seeds for good farming. Students, गवर्नमेंट के कुछ ऐसे डिपार्टमेंट भी होते हैं जो कि एक मखसूस ग्रुप के लोगों की मदद के लिए बनाए जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फार्मर को अगर हम एग्रीकल्चर के हवाले से देखें तो फार्मर्स को लोन देने के हवाले से मशवरा देना या गुड फार्मिंग के लिए अच्छे सीड्स वगैरह के हवाले से मशवरे दिए जाते हैं. ओके. Government also has many programs to help the old, poor and sick people, and it also arrange programs for education. इन सब कामों के अलावा गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत से ऐसे प्रोग्राम भी अरेंज करती है जिनका काम होता है लोगों की मदद करना. किन लोगों की? बूढ़े, बीमार और गरीब लोगों की मदद करना. इसके अलावा जो है वो ऐसे प्रोग्राम भी मुनक्किद करती है जिसमें लोगों को लिखना और पढ़ना सिखाया जा सके. लेट्स मूव ऑन. Machines and workers. Most of our factories use machines to manufacture or make things. We make some of these machines in our own country. We also import specialized machinery from other countries. Students, all of you know that machines are used in factories to manufacture things. आप सब जानते हैं कि प्रोडक्ट्स की तैयारी के लिए जो है वो मशीन्स फैक्ट्रीज में यूज की जाती हैं. And some machineries manufacture in our own country while some special machineries import from the other countries. फैक्ट्रीज में यूज होने वाली मशीनरी जो है वो कुछ पाकिस्तान में ही मैन्युफैक्चर की जाती है, जबकि कुछ स्पेशल मशीन्स जो हैं वो दूसरे कंट्रीज से इंपोर्ट की जाती हैं. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. बिफोर अ फैक्ट्री इज सेट अप, साइंटिस्ट्स मस्ट प्लान एंड डिजाइन अ प्रोडक्ट. Trained people are required to see that the product is made properly as planned and is of good quality. Skilled workers are then needed to operate the machines that will make the product. They also need to make sure that the machines are in good condition all the time. Students, before setting up a factory, scientists made a plan for the product design and trained people are hired to check the product quality. जब भी कोई प्रोडक्ट वगैरह बनाई जाती है किसी फैक्ट्री में तो सबसे पहले उसका डिज़ाइन प्लान किया जाता है और ट्रेंड लोग हायर किए जाते हैं जो कि प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी को मेंटेन रखने में हेल्पफुल साबित होते हैं. ओके. Skilled and trained people hired for operating the machine. They also responsible for maintaining the quality of product and also the quality of machine. इसके अलावा मशीन्स को ऑपरेट करने के लिए माहिर लोग दरकार होते हैं और इनका काम प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी को मेंटेन करने के साथ साथ मशीन की कंडीशन को भी मेंटेन रखना होता है. स्टूडेंट्स, Inshallah, we will complete this chapter in the next session. Now move towards exercise. Students, yesterday we did question number 1 and 2 of this chapter. Now you can see question number 3 on your screen. Question is, Why is it wrong to judge people by the type of work they do? Answer is, it is important that we do not judge people by the work they do, as every job has to be done and has a value. Now move towards question number 4. Question number 4 is, how does the government help the people? Yes, students, answer is, the government has special departments to help the people by giving advice to farmers about the kind of seeds, fertilizers and pesticides. Number 2, it also provides loans to set up cottage industries. Number 3, disabled and old people are provided medical care in hospitals. Students, please open page number 64 of your book. This is work page. You have to do exercise A in your book. Put a tick against the correct statements and a cross against the false ones. So students, what you have to do, if the statement is true, you will put tick, and the statement is false, you will put cross against the statement. Let's begin. Number 1, there are about 110 million people in Pakistan. Yes, students, yesterday we read about the population of Pakistan. So, number 1 is true or false? Yes, false, because there are about 207 million people in Pakistan. Number 1 is false, so you will put cross against the sentence number 1. Number 2, information about people is collected during a census. Yes, students, we read about it yesterday. Number 2 is true or false? Yes, true. So you will put tick against the sentence number 2. Number 3, most of the people in Pakistan live in cities. Yes, students, is this true or false? Yes, false. Number 4, some people in the country have no work to do. Yes, we read about it today. Yes, number 4 is true, because some people in the country have no work to do because they are not educated and they have no skills. Number 5, every job has a value. Is this true or false? Yes, true. So students, you have to do this exercise in your book. Students, today's lecture is completed. I hope all of you have done question number 1 and 2 in your social studies copy of session 1. Now first make index, then do question number 3 and 4 in your social studies copy and do exercise A on page number 64 in your book. Please don't do it in your copy. Inshallah, we will complete this chapter in the next session. Thank you. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.